Did you know the creator of Vaseline used to set himself on fire to sell his product? In the 1870s, chemist Robert Chesbrough was watching oil rig workers. They were smearing a weird black waxy substance on their cuts and burns, swearing it made them heal faster. Chesbrough was fascinated. He took this gunk back to his lab and refined it into clear petroleum jelly. But here's where things get crazy. To prove his product worked, Chesbrough started doing the most extreme demonstrations in history. He would show up at public events and deliberately hurt himself in front of crowds. He burned his skin with acid, he slashed himself with knives, he even set parts of his body on fire. Then he would calmly apply his Vaseline and let audiences watch it heal over the following weeks. These horrifying demonstrations actually worked. Millions of people became convinced that petroleum jelly was a miracle cure. Chesbrough lived to 96 years old. He credited his long life to eating a spoonful of Vaseline every single day. His bizarre self-torture turned into a billion-dollar business.